Welcome to this lesson on statistics and probability. Today, we are exploring a special case when finding the mode of a data set. What happens when every value is just as frequent as every other value? We call this no mode or a uniform distribution. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly review what the mode is. The mode is simply the number that appears most frequently in a group of numbers. In the example on the screen, you can see the number 7 appears twice, while 2, 5, and 9 only appear once. Because 7 wins the popularity contest, 7 is the mode. Now let's look at a different scenario. Consider the data set 4, 8, 1, 3, and 9. If we check the frequency of each number, we see that 4 appears once, 8 appears once, 1 appears once. In fact, every single number appears exactly one time. No number repeats more than the others. If we were to graph this on a chart, it would look like this. The height of every bar is exactly the same. The distribution is completely flat. There is no peak, and no single value stands out above the rest. Let's try a trickier one. What if numbers do repeat, but they all repeat the same amount? Look at this set. We have 2 2s, we have 2 5s, and we have 2 9s. Every number appears exactly 2 times. Is there a winner for the most frequent number here? Once again, let's look at the chart. Even though the bars are taller because everything appears twice, the tops of the bars are still perfectly level. It is still a tie. No value stands out as the most popular. So, what is the verdict? In statistics, if all values appear with the same frequency, then no value is the mode. It does not matter if they all appear once, twice, or 10 times. If it is a tie for everyone, nobody wins. We say this data set has no mode. Here is a very important warning. When you write your answer, write no mode. Do not write 0. 0 is a specific number. If you say the mode is 0, you are saying that the number 0 appears more than any other number. That is not what we mean. So remember, no mode means the concept doesn't apply. It does not mean the answer is the number 0. To summarize what we learned today, the mode is the most frequent number. However, if all numbers in a set appear the same number of times, there is no winner. In this specific case, the data set has no mode. And finally, remember that no mode is very different from the number 0.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.